Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In previous video I showed you my new design for vintage scrapbook. In this video you will learn how to make album covers. There will be a list of measurements and materials before the tutorial. In next uploads I will show you how to make all elements for vintage album and how to decorate the front cover. Don't forget to subscribe with the notifications on so you won't miss a new video. And now let's start with the tutorial. First we are going to take a chipboard for covers. Instead of it you can also use cardboard from old boxes. I'm wrapping chipboard with the artificial leather. This is a special textile material that is perfect for bookbinding. You can also use cardstock paper that weighs around 200 grams per square meter. It should be around 3 centimeters larger than chipboard on all 4 sides. If you want, you can use corner punch to round the chipboard corners. You can also skip this step and continue wrapping base for the covers. Round the corners of artificial leather and make small cuts in them. Make sure that you don't cut all the way to the chipboard. Leave a few millimeters between end of a cut and the chipboard edge. Apply glue to artificial leather and glue small strips tightly around the chipboard corner. Use clips to hold it in place until glue dries and do the same with the rest of the corners. The glue I'm using is intended specially for artificial leather. I suggest using it because it really works better than normal hobby liquid glue. The tool I'm using is called scoring tool or bone folder. It helps flattening the paper or textile material. After you are done with all 4 corners, continue with material that is left in between them. Apply glue to the artificial leather and attach it to the chipboard. Following the same steps, make another cover so you have 2 in total, one front and one back cover. Next, we are going to connect both covers with a spine. Take chipboard that measures 17.5 cm by 29 cm and glue it in the middle of artificial leather that measures 23.5 cm by 33 cm. Glue top and bottom artificial leather parts to the chipboard. Left and right side will be glued to the inside of the covers. Remove a thick layer of artificial leather using a scalpel. You can also leave it as it is. Apply 3 cm line of glue to the right side of one cover. Glue black artificial leather from the spine to the inner side of a front cover. Take second chipboard cover, apply 3 cm line of glue to the left side of it and glue it to the right side of spine piece. Make sure there is around 1 cm between all chipboard pieces. 1 cm of empty space between left chipboard cover, spine chipboard and right chipboard cover. Apply glue over artificial leather and gently place rice paper on top. For protection, apply top sealer medium over it. Next, we are making decoration for the outside part of the spine. I'm wrapping chipboard piece in artificial suede. This is also a textile material that is used for bookbinding with a soft surface. I'm using the same glue that I did for artificial leather. I've also made decorative strips from metal brads and the same artificial leather that I've used for the spine. In the next video I will show you how to make decorative shaker element for the front cover. These covers are pretty huge, so you can always adjust the measurements and make smaller ones by following the same steps. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments or write me on my Instagram. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.